Okay, my dear students, good morning everyone. Before class, we have discussed about the increasing and decreasing functions. Some problems, very important problems I discussed here last class. Okay, 2 classes completed now. Now today, some more problems on increasing and decreasing functions. Those are very important problems for competitive examination part. That's why I am explaining each and every problem. Now today, just we are going to the 5-6 problems. After that, we will start the maxima and minima. That is the important topic. Okay. Now, f of x is increasing means f dash of x is greater than some interval x belongs to a comma b. Open interval a comma b. F of x is decreasing means f dash of x less than a. First we find the f dash of x. After that, in which interval the function is positive, in which interval the function is negative. Or discuss. Now we are going to the one more problem. Find the intervals in which the function f is given by f of x is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube, where 100% x not equal to 0 means the domain of this function is r minus 0. At 0 the function is not defined. Okay, something by 0 means infinity means not defined, means that is not the part of the domain, means 0 is not the part of the domain. Domain is real numbers minus 0. Other than 0 it is defined every value of x. That's why the domain of the function is r minus 0. Now in that r minus 0, for what value of x the expression is increasing, for what value of x the expression is decreasing. Okay, first you know very well, this is x cube plus 1 by x cube. Find in which interval the function is increasing and decreasing. Okay, my dear student. Now what is our goal? Differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Okay. Now f dash of x is for x cube derivative 3x square plus 1 by x cube derivative minus 3 by x power 4 minus 3 by x power 4. Okay. Derivative of 1 by x power n formula we know that very well. Differentiation of 1 by x power n with respect to x is equal to formula minus n by x power n plus 1. This is the formula. Okay, this is also minus 3 by x power 3 plus 1 is x power 4, my dear students. Now take a common 3. Okay, now after that take the LCM. 3 common x square minus 1 by x power 4. Okay, now taken common 3, LCM is x power 4, that is x power 6 minus 1. The factorization of x power 3 minus 1. How to write the x power 3 minus 1? Actually this is x square, okay, x cube whole square minus 1 or a cube minus b cube. Okay. Or you write actual x power 6 minus 1 you write as the factors is 100% x square minus 1 into x power 4 plus x square plus 1. How to write this one? For example, you multiply this one, what happened? Compulsory will get this one. For example, you multiply what happened this one? X power 6 plus x power 4 plus x square. Now minus x power 4 minus x square minus 1. This one cancel this one. What the remaining? X power 6 minus 1, my dear students. Now how to write this one? X power 6 minus 1. You remember this one 100%. That is equal to x square minus 1 into x power, factors of x power 6 minus 1. X power 6 minus 1 factors x square minus 1 into x power 4 plus x square plus 1. Okay, my dear students. This is 3 into how to write this one? X square minus 1 into x power 4 plus x square plus 1 by x power 4. Now in this one, the f dash of x is positive for each interval, means whenever f dash of x is positive means increasing function. Whenever f dash of x is less than 0, decreasing function. Observe that here only x power 4 plus x square plus 1 by x power 4. Here x 100% not equal to 0, already I told you. Okay, no problem. X power 4 plus x square plus 1 by x power 4, 100%. This value must should positive value always. Why? Because here power 4 is there. We will take any negative value, must should be positive. Here positive plus 1 is there by x power 4. This total value is must should be positive. Means we have discussed only x square minus 1. X square minus 1 means x plus 1 into x minus 1. What are the values of x means? X value minus 1 comma 1. But for suppose we will take the interval minus 1 comma 1, in that one not include the 0. Okay, my dear students. Now 3 into x power 4 plus x square plus 1 by x power 4 into remaining x square minus 1. Now we will take the f dash of x is equal to 0. Whenever f dash of x is equal to 0 means 100% you know very well. Okay. Now I cut this one. Now what are the values of this one? No need of this one. This is always positive and not equal to 0. Here we discuss about this one, x square minus 1. X square minus 1 means x value, x square is equal to 1. What are the critical points? X square minus 1 equal to 0, x square equal to 1, x is equal to plus r minus 1. We will take the x is equal to plus r minus 1. Here you will take x is equal to plus r. This is minus infinity, this is infinity, this is minus 1, this is plus 1. Means 3 regions. In 3 regions, in each region that is positive, in each region it is negative. Now for suppose here, less than, minus 1 less than, you take minus 2. You substitute only here, minus 2 whole square. Or minus 1 point what? Not 1, more than 1, less than 1 also, or more than 1 also, must it is positive only. Now we discuss only this value only, x square. This is always positive above. It depends on only this one, x square minus 1. Less than minus 1 will take minus 2. Minus 2 whole square means 4 minus 1 means 3. Positive into positive, total positive. This value is positive, 100%. Now minus 1 to 1. We cannot take the 0. We cannot take the 0. Okay. First of all, we will take the 0 means whatever. First suppose minus 1 to 1. We will take minus 1 to 1. How much we will take minus 1 to 1? This is 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1 means we will take the 0.5. 1 by 2. Whatever this is. 1 by 4 minus 1. 1 by 4 minus 1 means minus 3 by 4. 100% which is negative. But in this interval, 0 is not included. 0 is not included. Why? Because something by 0 is 100% not different. 1 to infinity 100% it is positive. Right side always positive. Now f of x is increasing. Means f dash of x is positive. Which interval? You write first case. F of x is increasing. Increasing means positive. F dash of x. Those values you substitute in the f dash of x for. F of x is increasing means f of x is increasing means f dash of x is greater than 0 for all x belongs to where greater than 0 minus infinity comma minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Okay, my dear students. Any doubt? No doubt. Now f of x is decreasing. In each interval, f of x is decreasing. If and only if f dash of x is less than 0 for all x belongs to minus 1 comma 0 union 0 comma 1 or minus 1 comma 1 minus 0. You write minus 1 comma 1 minus 0. You write in this way, or x belongs to minus 1 comma 0 union 0 comma 1. Both are 100% right idea. Okay, my dear students, we go to the next problem. Minus 1 comma 0. Okay. Now, this way we will do the problems. Feel it difficult? No, I think. Simple. Okay. Now we are going to the next problem. Now yesterday class I already discussed means sin x is positive in first and second coordinate, cos x is positive first and fourth coordinate. Okay, already I discussed. Now once more we will go to the next problems. Separate the 0 comma pi by 2 into the subintervals. Separate 0 comma pi by 2 into subintervals. F of x is equal to sin 3x. Is increasing or decreasing? Is increasing or decreasing? In this interval, sin 3x is increasing or decreasing? Okay, separate. Means which interval it is positive, in which interval it is negative. Now first mostly we will discuss about the f of x. What is given solution clearly after that? Given f of x is equal to sin 3x. F of x is equal to sin 3x. Now we find the f dash of x. Now f dash of x is equal to 3 cos 3x. Sin 3x derivative cos 3x into 3. 3 cos 3x. 3 cos 3x. Okay, have any doubt? No doubt. Now we go to the given case 0 to pi. X value is 0 to pi. Clearly is given 0 less than or equal to x less than. You cannot take the 0 and pi value in between the interval. Therefore, the what is given means 0 less than x less than pi. Okay, my dear students. Okay, open interval will take no problem. Open interval is 0 less than x less than pi. But we need here 3x. Here 0 multiplied with 3. Here 0 less than 3x less than 3 pi. 3 pi by 2. Okay, my dear students. Here 3x value 100% up to 3 pi by 2. Multiplying with 3. Now we have cos 3x is there. Cos 3x is positive and negative. Up to this 3x value 0 to 3 pi by 2. 0 to 3 pi by 2 is observed here. 0, here pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2. Clearly know very well. This is the f dash of x is cos. Cos 100%, this is positive. 0 to pi by 2 positive. Means, therefore f dash of x is positive. F dash of x is equal to 3 cos 3x is positive if this 3x value 0 less than 3x less than pi by 2. I hope that you understood. This is positive. F dash of x is positive means increasing. Increasing means positive means here this is the cos. You observe the 3x not x values. 3x values you observe. 3x value you observe. Okay, 0 to 3 pi by 2. 0 to 3 pi by 2 the cos is here positive. From here this one 100% negative. Here again positive. Okay, my dear. Here now 100% okay. What you find 100% x value only. This is the x value, not the x value. Now divide by 3. 0 less than x less than pi by 6. This is x belongs to 0 comma pi by 6. Now the f of x is equal to sin 3x in this interval is increasing up to 0 to pi by 6 only. Now f dash of x is equal to 3 cos 3x is less than 0 means negative. When it is negative, if this 3x value, not x value, 3x value 100% year to year, pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Pi by 2 less than 3x less than 3 pi by 2. Now divide by 3. Pi by 6 less than x less than 3 cancel means pi by 2. 100% that is x belongs to pi by 6 comma pi by 2. Here f dash of x is greater than 0 means it is increasing function. F dash of x is less than 0 means 100% it is decreasing function. Now in the interval 0 comma pi by 6 f of x is increasing. Now in the interval pi by 6 comma pi by 2 the f of x is decreasing function. Okay, my dear students, you understood or not? Yes, in this way we will do the problems. Okay, we will go to the next one. Don't confuse. Okay, first you develop the concept of the trigonometric ratios. In each interval which function is positive. Okay, what are the angles? What are the quadrant angles? You remember each and every one. Okay, otherwise you cannot do. Now we will go to the next problem. Separate the interval 0 comma pi by 2 and 0 comma pi by 2. 100%. Separate the interval 0 comma pi by 2. Okay, no problem. 0 comma pi by 2 into subintervals in which f of x is equal to sin power x plus cos power 4x. F of x is equal to sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. is increasing or decreasing. In which interval the function is increasing or decreasing. Sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. That is f of x is given. Okay. First, some changes. First, we will find the function. Not directly derivative and calculation part is very difficult. First, we will do something. What is given? Directly not differentiate. F of x is equal. Some formula is there. Sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. Actually, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 sin 2x. Okay, you observe what happened this one. That is equal to write as sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square. A square plus b square. This is a value, this is b value. A square plus b square. A square plus b square is equal to formula a plus b whole square 100% minus 2ab. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now substitute here, that is sin square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2ab. 2 into a value sin square x, b value cos square x. Okay, my dear students. Sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. Okay, now sin square x plus cos square x 100%, it is 1. 1 square means 1 minus. Now multiply and divide with 2. 4 sin square x cos square x. Okay, my dear students. 1 by 2 into 2. Okay, 1 minus 1 by 2 into, this is right as 2 sin x cos x whole square. 2 square, 4 sin square x cos square x. 2 sin x cos x means sin 2x. 1 minus 1 by 2 into sin 2x whole square means sin square 2x. Sin square 2x. Okay, no doubt. 2 sin a cos a means sin 2a whole square means sin square 2x. Now differentiate. This is f of x. This is f of x. Now differentiating with respect to x. Remember this one. Very, very important questions. For competitive JEE mains level, those questions are very, very important. For CBSE exam point of view also. Very, very important questions. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to 1 derivative must should 0 minus 1 by 2 into here x square derivative 2x into x square derivative 2x. Again sin 2x derivative. Sin 2x derivative 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x. Okay, my dear students, these two cancel. What are the mean? Minus 2 sin 2x into cos 2x. Again formula 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. Formula sin 2a. Sin 2a means sin 2 into x, sin 4x. That is minus sin 4x. F dash of x is equal to minus sin 4x. Now f dash of x is positive in each interval. What happened? F dash of x we will take the positive means, okay, f dash of x is positive. Here sin 4x is there. Sin 4x is here minus sin 4x is there. Don't confuse my dear students. F dash of x is less than 0 or greater than 0. We observe that sin 4x or whatever may be. 1 by 1 will go. Now here 0 to pi by 2 is given clearly. Now we will go to the interval value. What is the interval given? Means 0 less than x less than 0 less than x less than pi by 2 is given. But we have discussed about the 4x. 0 into 4 0. 4 into x 4x less than 2 pi. Now the 4x value in the interval 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. Observe that. 0. Here pi by 2. Pi. 3 pi by 2. 2 pi. Here 0 to pi. 0 to pi sin, here 4x means sin 4x. Sin 4x 100% always positive. 0 to pi. Now you observe that here sin 4x is there. I am telling you, okay, not 0 to 2 pi. The 4x angle is there, here 4x angle is there. Now 0 to 2 pi. In the 360 degrees first and second part means 0 to pi sin 4x is positive. Sin 4x. We are discussing about the sin 4x. Okay. Now which interval? If 0 less than 4x less than pi. If 0 less than 4x less than pi, 0 to pi, what the angle is 4x. 100%. What about the sin 4x? If or no if sin 4x is positive. Here function is sin 4x. Say yes or no. Sin 4x is positive. But here what is the value is there? Our goal is minus sin 4x. Our goal is minus n. That implies now here what happened? Dividing with 4. 0 less than x less than pi by 2. If or no if multiplying minus sin 4x is less than 0. Multiply with minus with greater than will be changed to less than. What about this f dash? This is x belongs to 0 comma pi by 4. F dash of x is less than 0. Less than 0 means decreasing. Simple. Decreasing in the interval 0 comma pi by 4. Yes. Next, sin 4x is okay positive. Sin 4x is positive. This one to this one. Now pi to 2 pi 100% negative. This is first case. Now second case, pi less than here 4x 100%. 4x less than 2 pi. The sin 4x must to negative. Third and fourth quadrant sin is negative. Now we want only x value, means pi by 4 less than x less than 2 pi by means pi by 2. Means sin 4 multiplied with minus. Why? Because here minus sin 4x is there. Minus sin 4x is greater than 0. This is means x belongs to pi by 4 comma pi by 2. Here f dash of x is greater than 0. F dash of x greater than 0 means increasing. Here you write f of x is decreasing function, decreasing in 0 comma pi by 2. Here f of x is decreasing. X belongs to, or all x belongs to pi by 4 comma. That's why we complete the problems. I think I hope. Okay, you understood. Okay, say something. Yes, sin 4x is there. Now compulsory here angle is 4x means now the 4x lies between here 0 to 2 pi. Now 0 to pi 4x value sin 4x 0 to pi positive, pi to 2 pi negative. That's why I did. After that, what about f dash means minus is there. By multiplying minus what happened? Means in this interval it is decreasing, in this interval it is increasing. My dear students, it is very simple. Okay. Next we are going to another problem. Cos and sine. Okay, carefully you observe. Okay, yeah. Okay, lot of problems. Last 3 days I think I explained lot of problems. Okay, you have means in that way you have some idea about this increasing and decreasing functions. Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to the next problem. First, suppose what happened. Find the intervals in which the function is f is given by f of x is equal to 4 sin x minus 2x minus x cos x cos x by 2 plus cos x 2 plus cos x 4 sin x minus 2x into x cos x by 2 plus cos x where 0 less than x less than 2 pi. 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to no problem. Is increasing and decreasing. In each interval the function is increasing, in each interval the function is decreasing. Okay, my dear student. Now here calculation 100% you have to differentiate, means f dash of x by f of means f dash of x is equal to quotient u by v method. Must to be okay. Okay, my dear student. Now what happened? Now here don't confuse u by v. First we need to derivative of this one. After that minus we need to derivative of this one. After that calculation we get the f dash of x. After that positive or negative we will discuss. Whenever f of x is means increasing function means f dash of x is positive. Whenever f dash of x is negative means f dash of x is less than 0 means decreasing function. Okay, we know very well. Now differentiating with respect to x. Now dear students. Now f of x derivative is 100%. F dash of x is equal to u by v method. Third graph is okay u by v method. Now here 2 plus cos x into, now differentiation of this one 4 into sin x derivative cos x minus 2x derivative is 2 minus here 100% uv method x cos x is there, uv method x into cos x derivative minus sin x plus cos x into 1. It is completed. Okay, this derivative is completed. Minus this one 4 sin x minus 2x minus x cos x into 2 plus 2 derivative 0 cos x derivative minus sin x by v square means 2 plus cos x whole square. 2 plus cos x whole square. Now 2 plus cos x into 4 cos x minus 2. Okay, this. Now this total value into 2 plus cos x. This value into minus sin x. Okay, my dear students, first calculation of this one. After that we will do what is going on. 2 plus cos x into, don't confuse. Okay. 4 cos x. This is minus 2. Here minus into minus plus x sin x. Minus into plus minus cos x. Minus cos x. Here minus into minus plus multiply 4 sin x into sin x sin square x minus 2x sin x minus, why? Because minus into minus plus means no change in these signs, x cos x into sin x, x cos x sin x by 2 plus cos x whole square. Okay, I think I understood. Okay, now we multiply here this one. First 2 into, after that cos x into, what happened? Okay, my dear students. Okay, 2 into cos x into, what happened? 2 4s are, first multiply 2 4s are 8 cos x minus 2 2s are 4 plus 2x sin x minus 2 cos x plus 4 cos square x cos x into 4 cos square x minus 2 cos x plus x sin x cos x minus cos x into minus cos x means cos square x. After that plus 4 sin square x minus 2x sin x minus x cos x sin x by 2 plus cos x whole square. Any cancellation is going on, you observe that this is plus 2x sin x, this is minus 2x sin x. Here x sin x cos x, here x sin x cos x. Plus and minus cancel. Here, okay. Here 8 cos x is there. Okay, my dear students. Here minus 2 cos x, minus 2 cos x. Okay. Here 4 cos square x plus 4 sin square x. This value is 400%. So taken common 4, cos square x plus sin square x is 1. Taken common 4 into cos square x plus sin square x. Cos square x plus sin square x is 1. That is 4. Okay. Here plus 4 minus 4 must should cancel. Okay. This minus 4 cos square x, 4 sin square x cancel. You have taken the common 4, cos square x plus sin square x is 1 plus 4, this is minus 4 cancel. What are the remaining terms? Observe that. Here 8 cos x is there. 8 cos x minus 2 minus 4 means 4 cos x minus cos square x. 4 cos x minus cos square x. Okay, my dear students. Any values remaining? All cancelled. Okay. 8 minus 2 means 4 cos x minus cos square x by 2 plus cos x whole square. Now we are taking common here cos x. Next step is going to next step, that is f dash of x is equal to cos x taken common 4 minus cos x by 2 plus cos x whole square. 2 plus cos x whole square. Now, for what value in the interval 0 to 2 pi? 0 to 2 pi means you know very well 0 to 2 pi. Here 0 to 2 pi. 0 pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2 2 pi. Now 0 to pi by 2 3 pi by 2 2 pi cos positive pi pi by 2 2 pi pi to 3 pi by 2 cos 100% negative. Okay, my dear students. Okay. For suppose what happened this one here clearly observe that it depends on this is denominator part 100% positive. 2 plus cos x whole square. 2 plus cos x whole square means whole square means this is always positive. Cos x maximum and minimum value minus 1 and plus 1. But subtraction 4 minus 1 to 1 you can subtract any value 100%. This is also positive. This cos x value minus 1 to plus 1 is never negative this one. This one 100% positive. Depends on only cos x. Means f dash of x is positive means cos x is positive. Why? Because these two are 100% positive. F dash of x is negative means cos x is negative. Right? Okay. F of x is increasing means f dash of x is positive. Therefore f of x is increasing. What is the meaning of that one? F of x is increasing. That implies f dash of x is positive. F dash of x is positive means this is positive. This is positive. This is positive means 100%. This is positive. Total positive means cos x is positive. Which interval cos x is positive? X belongs to you know very well 0 to pi by 2 union 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. 0 comma pi by 2 union 3 pi by 2 comma 2 pi. It's enough. Okay, my dear students, have any doubts? No. Next, f of x is decreasing. What happened? F of x is decreasing means f dash of x is less than 0. F dash of x means this is positive, this is positive. Negative means 100%, this is negative. Means cos x less than 0. When which interval cos x is less than 0? Pi by 2 to pi, pi to 3 pi by 2. Okay, or directly write pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Now x belongs to pi by 2 comma to 3 pi by 2. Okay, this way we will complete the problems. Okay, we are going to the next problem. Pi by 2, 3 by 2 decreasing function. Okay, my dear students. Okay. The calculation part is means differentiation is very important. After that, we will do easy. Don't confuse. Okay. Now we are going to the next problem. Now show that tan f of x is equal to tan inverse of sin x plus cos x. Tan inverse of sin x plus cos x is increasing function. Only is increasing, not decreasing. Is increasing in the interval 0 comma 45 degrees. In the interval 0 comma 45 degrees. Only increasing function, not decreasing. Okay. Now this is given. Now f dash of x means differentiating with respect to x. Tan inverse of x given. You know very well tan inverse of x means 1 by 1 plus x square means sin x plus cos x whole square. Here sin x derivative cos x. Tan inverse of x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Again internal function sin x derivative cos x minus sin x. Now f dash of x is equal to cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square. Here observe that. It is positive or negative, observe that. In the interval 0 comma pi by 4. Already yesterday I explained this one. First of all 0 to pi by 4 means 0, 30 degrees. This is pi by 4. First of all. This is 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, again 1. First of all cos graph. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by 2. First of all this here. Sin 0, 0. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Okay. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by 2. Here. So what are we doing? Observe that up to 0 to 45, the cos value is more than the sin values. Cos value is more than the sin values, means 100% cos x is greater than sin x. That means cos x minus sin x is 100% positive. Here cos x minus sin x is there. This is positive or not? In this interval 0, pi by 4 must and should, that is positive. After pi by 4 to 90, again this is less than 0. Only asking in 0, pi by 4. 0, pi by 4 100% cos x is greater than sin x, cos x minus sin x greater than 0. This is positive. In which interval cos x minus sin x is positive if x belongs to 0, pi by 4 only. Okay, this is already whole square is there, 100% this is positive. Positive, positive. Total positive means f dash of x is greater than 0 if and only if x belongs to 0, pi by 4. Why means here write down cos x minus sin x is greater than 0, x belongs to 0, pi by 4. Simple. Okay. Very, very simple problems. Okay. Next. Which of the following functions are decreasing on 0, pi by 4? First, suppose f of x is equal to cos x, which is decreasing in the 0, pi by 4. Say yes or no. F of x is equal to cos x is decreasing in the interval 0, pi by 2. Say yes or no. Okay? Decreasing means f dash of x less than, you have to show that f dash. Here find f dash of x is equal to cos x minus sin x. Minus sin x. Okay, sin x is there in the 0 to pi by 4. Given what is given? 0 less than x less than pi by 4. In this interval must should sin x positive. In this interval sin x positive. 0 to 90 first coordinate sin x positive. But here minus sin x is there. Means minus sin x means less than 0. Minus sin x means f dash of x. F dash of x means f of x is decreasing. Which interval x belongs to 0, pi by 4. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you have understood or not. Yes. Okay. Now we will go to the next one, tan x. Same interval. F of x is equal to tan x. F dash of x is equal to how much? Secant square x. F dash of x is equal to secant square x. Now in this coordinate, master should the secant x is positive. Okay. Not decreasing, increasing function. Now 0 less than x less than pi by 2. Secant x is positive. Now secant square x is also positive. Means f dash of x is positive. Means f of x is increasing function. Asking decreasing, but this is increasing function. Means x belongs to 0, pi. That's why we complete the problems, my dear students. Okay. Now find the intervals in which f of x. Next question. This way we will complete the problems. Find the intervals in which f of x is equal to x by log x. X by log x. Here x not equal to 100%. Why x not equal to 1? Here first of all x value is equal to 1, log 1 0, something by 0 infinity. Log of the values take the positive values 0 to infinity. In that one 1 is not included. Why? 1 is not included means first of all the denominator is there, log 1 100% 0. Log 1 0, something by 0 means 100% infinity. Say yes or no? Yeah. Now f dash of x is equal to whatever u by v method, log x into 1 minus x into log x derivative 1 by x by log x whole square. Log x whole square. Okay, my dear students. Now f dash of x is equal to log x minus x cancel means 1 by log x whole square. Here, for suppose f dash of x is positive. F dash of x is positive means positive or negative, whatever may be. Here log x whole square 100%, log x is 100% positive and x is not equal to 1. X for suppose 1, what happened? Log 1 is 0, something by 0, 100% infinite, not defined. Here we know that for suppose f of x is depends on this one. For suppose this value is positive, total expression is positive. This value is negative, total expression is negative. F dash of x is positive means depends on only this one, not this one. For suppose if f dash of x is greater than 0 means log x minus 1 greater than 0 only, since why log x whole square is positive and x not equal to 100%. F of x is increasing means f dash of x is greater than 0. This is always positive means this is also positive. Positive, positive, positive. Okay, my dear students, this is what happened. Log x is greater than 1 means base e. X greater than e power 1. What is the meaning of that one? X belongs to e to e comma e. Greater than e. Okay, it is enough. First of all, this is first case. What happens second case? F dash of x is less than 0. This is positive means 100%, this is negative. Positive to negative, negative. Positive to positive, positive. Means log x minus 1 less than 0. Means log x less than 1. Means base e. X less than e. Already I explained. X less than e means logarithms depend only positive. Less than e means not minus infinity. Means x belongs to 0 comma e minus 1. Why minus 1? Here x value 1, it is not defined. That's why 0 comma e value 2.7. 0 to 2.7, 100%, 1 is included. Compulsory subtract the 1. Okay, my dear students. This way we will complete the problems. Okay. The total increasing decreasing function chapter. Application of derivatives in that one increasing decreasing chapter completed. Now tomorrow we will start the maximum and minimum. That is very important topic. Okay, my dear students. Thank you. One and all.